Okay, so in this video, we will look at different copying pasting methods in MS Excel. We'll basically look at three methods. In the first method, we'll copy the whole thing, that is data along with its formatting. We'll call it normal copy pasting. In the second method, we'll look at copying the data only without any formatting. And in the third method, we'll look at copying the format without any data. So let's look at the first method in which we'll copy the whole thing. It can be classed as normal copy pasting that we do in any other software. So to do the normal copy pasting, holding the left mouse button, you select your required range. After you've selected the required range, you have to click on this copy button and then select the cell where you want to paste your data. After selecting that cell, just click on this paste button and you'll notice that it has copied everything, the data as well as its formatting. So that was the first method. Now let's look at the second method where we'll just copy the data. We won't be copying any formatting. So to copy the data only, first of all, again, we need to select the required cells. After selecting them, we'll click on this copy button and then we'll select the cell where we want to paste our data. After selecting the cell, if you click on this arrow under the paste button, a pop-up would open. And if you look at this first option under the paste values, if you select this first option that says values, you will notice that it has only selected the values. It hasn't copied any of the background color, that is the formatting. So it hasn't copied any formatting, but what it has done is that it has only copied the values. In the third method, we'll look at how to copy the format only without copying any values. So to copy the format only, what we have to do is we have to again select our required range. Once we have selected the range, we'll click on the copy button and then we'll select the cell we want to paste our format or data. After selecting that cell, again click on this arrow under the paste button, and if you look at this other paste options, under other paste options, if you select at this first formatting option, you'll notice that this time it has only copied the format. It hasn't copied any values. So these were the three methods that we can use to copy paste accordingly in MS Excel.